Owning one of the best action cameras is crucial if you want to capture your daring exploits. Action cameras are also perfect for vloggers and content creators, and many of the best action cameras come with those users also in mind. There are many products available to choose. Best action cameras, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. DJI Osmo Action 4, the best budget action camera. With the release of the Osmo Action 5 Pro, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is my pick of the best budget action cameras. Thanks to prices dropping, you can now pick up an Osmo Action 4 for as little as $249.00. And I'm only expecting prices to drop further as we make our way into 2025. If you want beautiful 4K video, but want to save almost a couple of $100 over a new GoPro or DJI, this is the action camera to opt for. I tested the Osmo Action 4 thoroughly when it launched and absolutely loved its beautiful image quality, not to mention its surprisingly strong internal audio quality. This camera can also be hooked up wirelessly to DJI microphones, making it a great choice for content creators who want to avoid lots of cables or are already invested in DJI gear. While its waterproofing isn't quite as good as the Osmo Action 5 Pro, the Osmo Action 4 is still rated down to 59 feet, which beats everything else from GoPro and Insta360, making it great for rugged adventures in challenging conditions. Number 4. GoPro Hero 12 Black, the best older GoPro. With the launch of the Hero 13 Black, the outgoing GoPro Hero 12 Black becomes the best older GoPro, even though it was only launched in 2023. Thanks to the new model, though, you can now pick up a Hero 13 Black for well under $300.00, making this a real steal. That's because the Hero 13 Black is essentially the same camera, using the same sensor, the same stabilization system, and essentially the same body, except for a minor facelift around the front screen. That means you still get 5.3K/60p video, Hypersmooth 6, and GoPro's generally outstanding video performance, all for way less than the Hero 13 Black. The Hero 12 Black also utilizes the same battery and shell as many older GoPros, like the Hero 10 Black. While certain accessories will fit the new GoPro Hero 13 Black, some won't. So if you're upgrading from an older model, this is the one to go for. We also loved the minor updates over the prior model, the Hero 11 Black, including 5.3K/60p versus 5.3K/30p, and the introduction of Bluetooth headphone support for audio recording. Number 3. Insta360 Go 3S, the best small action camera. If you're after something small, you can't really beat the Insta360 Go 3S, a tiny thumb-sized action camera that builds upon the great reputation of its predecessor, the Go 3. This action camera is perfect for people who want an unobtrusive camera to capture beautiful 4K footage. It's ideal for casual shooters who are trekking, cycling, or playing sports, as it'll sit easily on a peak or attach effortlessly to your short without sagging. That's how light it is. Its size and loop recording mode also make it ideal if you want an action cam that can double as a dash cam. I tested the Go 3S Extensive and its older sibling, the original Go 3, and loved them both, although the Go 3S comes out easily on top. The Go 3S offers up to 4K video at 30 FPS, as well as free-frame video, where you can change the aspect ratio of your footage after shooting. This is a step up over the original Go 3, which could only shoot up to 2.7K or 1440p in free-frame mode. It's water-resistant down to 33 feet without its action pod, which is only splash-proof, and small enough to take pretty much everywhere. Number 2. GoPro Hero 13 Black, the best for pros and creatives. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is the best action camera for professionals and serious shooters for a few reasons. Firstly, there's the 5.3K maximum resolution, which is higher than the Osmo Action 5 Pro's 4K. This will allow you to oversample footage in post for sharper 4K. Secondly, there are the new lens mods released with and for the Hero 13 Black. They won't work on older models. There's an anamorphic mod for cinematic widescreen video at native resolutions, macro and ultra-wide-angle mods, plus ND filters for better control over exposure. As with the OA5 Pro, the Hero 13 Black also sports HDR, HLG, and SDR log profiles for wider dynamic range capture in HDR and SDR, plus 10-bit color. Naturally, as this is a GoPro, the Hero 13 Black also brings fantastic image stabilization and beautiful image quality straight out of the box. I absolutely loved how well the Hero 13 Black stabilized footage, even in super challenging scenarios like when strapped to a dog walking, or when mounted to handlebars. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Best action camera overall. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is the best camera for most people. It's a real close race between this camera and the GoPro Hero 13 Black, but if you're a casual video shooter, a content creator, or you need a rugged, professional action camera to shoot 4K footage, this camera pips the GoPro to the post. The OA5 Pro shoots 4K at up to 120 FPS, and while YouTube still maxes out at 4K, that's all casual shooters or content creators need. The GoPro Hero 13 Black's 5.3K max res and Insta360 Ace Pro's 8K are only really useful if you're going to output oversampled 4K in post for marginally sharper footage, something most users won't need to do, as standard 4K still looks fantastic. The camera has received loads of genuinely useful features, especially for content creators, including bright OLED displays, subject detection AF for vlogging, and 47 GB of internal storage for over an hour of 4K without a micro SD card. None of which the Hero 13 Black has. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.